Hi, we're the History Hikers and we're hiking through the Elsass forests,
where we will guide you to some of the many castles this region has to offer.
Welcome to Alsace, a region in the east of France next to the Rhine River. It's known for its wine, its food, its nature, the beautiful historic and colorful towns, and most importantly for us, its castles.
The History Hikers invite you on an adventure into one of Europe's most densely packed castle ruin regions. Over the coming months, we'll be hiking through stunning nature scenes and discover over 20 such castle ruins, all jam-packed in less than 100 kilometers of hiking. If you did the math, that's more than one ruin every 5 kilometers.
If you feel like hiking along with us, then be sure to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when each video goes live. We hope to see you there.